My name is Kamika Perry. I'm an internal medicine doctor from Jamaica. Based on my interest in aesthetics over the past 2 years, I just went internet searching, and Empire Medical was one of the results I got. So I just looked more into it, and I realized that they were having a training in Mexico, which was ideal for me, being a foreign-trained medical graduate. So I just took full advantage of it. So my experience having done this 3-day training has given me a more comprehensive understanding of the way in which we use these biostimulatory injectables, as well as our fillers, botulinum toxin. So we did lectures every single day, and we had the opportunity to do hands-on after each day. At the end of the didactic lectures, there was opportunity for me to do hands-on training. The first thing being in a new environment, a new country, and in terms of the aspect of the training, being able to interface with the experts in regenerative medicine and also in aesthetics, and also having the ability to see hands-on how it's done and practicing the same thing that has been taught.